Welcome to study in all subjects. Learn to English vowel A, E, I, O, U. First vowel.
Vowel is A. The sound of A is A. A. A few words with the sound A are cat, pad, tag, tap, jam, man. Let us learn a few combination sound with vowel A, at, a, t, a, t, at of, hat, bat, an. A few words with the sound an of
Van, man.
am, am, am. A few words with the sound am are jam, yam.
Add, 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 add,
Add, add, add. A few words sound of add are lad, pad, go, 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 egg, egg. A few words with sound of egg are bag, tag, apple, apple, app, apple, app. A few words with sound of app are cat, tap. The next vowel is E. The next vowel is E. The sound of E is A. A few words with the sound A are net, hen, red, lake. Let us learn a few combination sound with vowel A. Eight, A, T, eight, A, T, eight. Some words with the eight are pet, net, a, n, n, a, n, n. Some words with the n are hen, pen, a, d, aid, a, d, aid. Some words with the aid are bed, red, egg, 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 egg. Some words with the egg are leg, cake. Next vowel is I. I. The sound of I is E. E. A few more words with the sound E are seat, bean, lead, pig, nib, six, leap. I. Let us learn a few combination sound with vowel I. Eat, eat, I, T, eat, eat. Five words with the sound it are sit, kit, in, e. No, five words with the sound in are bean, pin, e, d, e, d, eat. Five words with the sound id are kid, lead, e, g, e, g, egg. Five words with the sound egg are weak, pig, e, p, e, p, eep. Five words with the sound eep are leap, sheep, eb, ebe, eb, ebe. Five words with the sound eb are beep, neeb, x, 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 x. Five words with the sound x are six. Next vowel is O. Sound is vowel. O is O. A few more words with the sound O. Pot, pot, dog, top, fox, boy. Let us learn a few combination sound with vowel O. Ot, O, T, O, T. A few words with the sound ot are pot, cot, odd, odd, odd. A few words with the sound odd are rod, pod, og, 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 og. A few words with the sound og are dog, log, up, 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 up. A few words with the sound up are top, mop, ox, 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 ox. A few words with the sound ox are fox, box, oi, oi, o, y, oi, oi. A few words with the sound oi are boy, toy. The last vowel is U. Sound of U, a. A few more words with the sound are hut, gun, rug, cup. Let us learn a few combination sound with vowel U. At, a, t, at, a, t, at. A few words with the sound at are nut, hut, earth, no, on, a, no, on. A few words with the sound on are gun, burn. Ugh, ugh, ugh. A few words with the sound ugh are jug, bug, up, 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 up. A few words with the sound up are cup, pub. If you like my video, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you.